Good. Who's a good boy?
I am a good boy.
Who's a good girl?
I am a girl.
Who are kind?
We are kind.
Very good. Look outside, everyone. How's the weather is it?
The weather
It's
is sunny.
sunny. Good job. Today, we are going to sing a song before we start. And how was the weather in the screen? How's the weather is it? Maybe it's sunny and cloudy. In the song, I think it will be rainy. And there are family. Who is it? Who is it? Daddy, mommy, brother, sister, baby. Who is it? Daddy, mommy, brother, sister, baby. All the families are very sad. Why? I don't know. We are going to find out. 노래 속에 나오는 우리 가족들이 왜 기분이 안 좋은지, 왜 글루미한지 찾아볼래요. And if you know this song, please sing with me. Okay?
Yeah.
Music.
Stop.
Good job. How is the weather?
It's raining.
It's raining. Who is she? Mommy, brother? Good. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Daddy wants to play, but it was raining. He couldn't go out. Who is she?
Rain.
Rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Mommy also wants to go out, but it couldn't because of the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Brother wants to go out too, but he couldn't, so he's very gloomy.
Rain, rain,
Go away, come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Ah, now you got it why they are so sad, right?
rain,
Rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And look at this family. What happened?
rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
So, you got it why they are so sad? 우리 가족들이 왜 sad하고 gloomy 했을까? Why they pout? Because it was raining. That's right. They wanted to go out, but it was rainy, so they couldn't. And look at this. How is the weather? Is it? It is sunny. And look at there. How is the weather over there? It is? It is rainy. Good job. On rainy day and sunny day, what can we do? Taewon, what can you do on sunny day?
Sunny day.
You go
to the play outside.
You go to playground. You go to play outside. Good job. What about you, Ryowon? What can you do on rainy day?
Rainy day.
You want to draw or write? Come on. Give me here. All right, here you are. So on rainy day, what can you do? That's okay. Go ahead.
Puddle. Puddle.
You could jump into the puddle the rain makes, right? Oh yeah, that's the puddle. I'm gonna write down. Can I? Okay, thank you.
I am doing
This is
파들이 뭐예요?
puddle. 웅덩이. Puddle.
엉덩이.
That's right. On a rainy day on the street, you could see the puddle the rain makes. We will see that soon. So next, Taewon. On sunny day, what do you like to do?
Can we go to the play outside?
You can go out to play outside. Good job. Come on. Will you draw or write down there? Ah. Look at this face. This is smiley, very happy face. Who is he? Is he?
He.
Is it Taewon? He? Is it Taewon or people?
People.
People. Thank you, Taewon. Go back to your seat. Great. So look at this Taewon's sun. On sunny day, we could put on what? Sunglasses. What about on rainy day?
Jump in the pot.
해 뜬 날은 선글라스를 꼈는데요. 비 오는 날은 뭘 입을 수 있죠?
물옷.
물옷. 물옷.
비옷.
What can we call that? Raincoat. What?
Raincoat.
Raincoat and
Umbrella.
umbrella. And what about on shoes? Sneakers, sandals, or boots?
Boots.
Rain boots. Good job. So now we're going to check it out. I'm going to call the alphabet's name and you will answer to me in a sound. Okay? I say A, you say A. Can you?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Teacher calls out the alphabet, the letter. You will answer to me in sounds. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay. A,
ready.
B,
B.
C,
C.
D,
D.
E, F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
E.
E, J, J, K,
K.
L,
L.
L,
O.
M,
N.
N,
O.
N, O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R, S, T,
T.
U,
U.
R, V, V. Wow, very good. W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. And again. Next one. 지금부터. This is what the letter says. This is what the letter says. This is what the letter says. What the letter says. 짠!
W. Word.
Good. 아는 사람이 손을 들고 맞출 거예요. Ready? Go. This is what the letter says. This is what the letter said. This is what the letter said. What the letter said. 짠! What is it, 태환?
Pelican.
This is pelican. What's the letter?
P.
P. What's the sound of P?
P.
Very good. High five. Good job. Again. Ready? 두 번째야. This is what the letter said. This is what the letter said. This is what the letter said. What the letter said. 자! 오! 려원?
Crayon.
Crayon. What's the sound of A-Y? A. Good job. Very good. One more time. One more time. The next one. This is what the letter said. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Very quickly. Very speedy. Ready? Go. This is what the letter said. What the letter said. This is what the letter said. What the letter said. 자! What is it? 누리. What is it?
Home.
Home. Again. This is home. But another word?
O. House.
Good job, house. So, O-U, what's the sound of O-U?
House.
Ow. Good job, thank you. Ow, ow, house.
Ow, ow, house.
Ow, ow, house.
Ow, ow, house.
Okay. And from now on, we are going to check out the sight words. Is there any words you can read? Do you know any words over there? All right, then we are checking out. Look at this. This is sight words. Follow me, everyone. A. Follow me, spell out. A. The. T-H-E. T-H-E. How to spell the? How to spell?
T-H-E.
Good job. Bye. How to spell bye?
B-Y.
Good job. Thank you. Day. How to spell day?
D-A-Y.
D-A-Y. And two. How to spell two? 누리.
T-O.
Good job. Want. How to spell want?
W-A-N-T.
Ryowa, very good, Rose. We. How to spell we?
W-E.
Good job. Taewon, how to spell?
H-A-V-E.
How to read?
Have.
Have, good. Daniel, how to read?
H-A-V-E.
That's the spell, how to read. Have, good job. Lucas, how to read?
P-L-A-E.
P-L-A-Y. How to read? Good job. So quickly, come on, everyone. Ready?
Yeah.
Listen and repeat after me. Go.
Go.
On.
On.
The. By. They. To. Want. We. Have. Play. Go. And now, I'm gonna pass these cards to you. Nuri give you to Taewon. Taewon gives to Maru. Maru gives to Ryewon. Ryewon, put it down on the ground. Okay? Pass. But when I say stop, you should show me what you have. Okay? And teacher says stop. 카드를 선생님한테 보여줘야 돼요. 내가 뭘 가지고 있는지 읽어볼 거야. Ready? 선생님하고 똑같이 전달하면 돼요. 간다. On. The. By. They. To. Want. We. Stop. Who has we? Maru, show me. What's that? What?
W-E.
Good job. Thank you. Pass them around. Have. Play. Go. Stop. Taewon, what do you have? Go. Show me the cards. Good job. And pass them around. Go. And now look at this board, everyone. There are 17 sight words. Can you read these sight words? If you know the sight words, and come to the front and erase the word. All right? Okay. And again, Daniel, Rose, rock, paper, scissors. And Lucas, David, rock, paper, scissors. Ready, go! Woo! Who's the winner? Rock, scissors, paper. Good job. David and Lucas, rock, paper, scissors. Go. Rock, paper. 앉아서요. David부터 먼저 할게요. So, David, ready? Go back to your seat. So, everybody, we are going to count from 1 to 3. All right? David, ready? Stand up. No. Come there. Okay, ready? Everyone, 1, 2, 3. Ready? 그런데 지우면서 데이빗이 큰 소리로 읽으면서 지워야 돼요. 안 읽은 건 못 지워요. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Guys, go! 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. 자, Please pass the pen to Daniel. Okay, Daniel, stand up. Ready? No. Not yet. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, everybody from 1 to 3. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, stop! Okay, come back. And next one. Rose, stand up. Ready? Are you guys ready to count? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. All right. And Lucas? Ready? Oh, no, not yet. We're going to count. Everybody, we are going to count from 1 to 3 again, okay? So, Rose, David, Daniel from 1 to 3. Ready?
1.
Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. That's okay. Go ahead. Okay, 1, 3. Stop. Thank you. Stop it. Come back. So, was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to read a book?
Yeah.
I'm ready. All right, then let's read the book. Hello. Hello. Let's read together. From now on, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready? Go.
We play
On a rainy day, we skate, we run. Again, we have fun in the sun. Good. And next one, Rose, can you read?
right.
Daniel, we slide. Good. And David, we swing. 노래하고 있네. Lucas, we sing. Good job. Next page, all together, everyone. Ready? It rains. It pours. Good job, everyone. Wow, very good. All of you, great job.